Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to undress and redress your Yogibo Max. So first, you're going to come over here and unzip your Max. Take the cover off like you were taking off a pillowcase or anything else. And you may notice that you have an internal zipper here, and we use a special lock zipper that ensures that your beanbag will not unzip and bead will go all over your house. To undo your lock zipper, as you can see here, there's a zip tie, so you can use a zip tie, paper clip, or even the twists that go around your bread. Then you are going to grab your cover, flip it inside out. This makes it easier to identify your corners, which makes it easier to zip up in the end and just makes your beanbag look better. So you go over the first corner and the other one. And then you're going to shake it up. Shake it up. Then you're going to turn and flip it over. And then I like to shake it in just to make sure all the bead goes down into the bag. And then all you're going to do is finish by zipping it up. Tuck in your zipper. And that is how you do your Yogibo Max.